DX, even possibly 100X. They have a really good leverage trading platform. They should be available in most countries. I have used them. They have some really good trading tools like trailing stop loss, which some exchanges don't have. Binance does have a trailing stop loss, but I find their tool a little buggy because you're not always going to get that exact dollar amount to trigger the stop loss. And sometimes it could basically skip your stop loss and keep going in the opposite direction you want without obviously selling your position. So it sometimes doesn't always trigger the trailing stop loss on Binance, but I have used it on Bybit, and they're a really good exchange for futures trading. You got perpetual, so you can USDT to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum. They also offer Mana, XRP, Solano. Some really good trading pairs here. So you can come here and see if you like a certain pair or there's a certain play on a certain coin. Some information coming out, or you see a certain coin taking. You wanna hop in a short position. You can see all the different pairs. You got Phantom, Flow, Dash, some really obscure coins here that you're not going to see on a lot of exchanges. Sushi, you could really nice short play there. You got Curve, Alice, which is interesting. It's a play to earn game. You got Yield Guild Games. You got Gala Games, Alluvium. You got SLP, Smooth Love Potions, which doing any position on this is just going to be a good play here, especially in a bear market. So you come here, you can see the price going up and down. You can also zoom in to kind of get a better look. You can organize it by 1 minute times, so it basically is updating the price every 1 minute. You can also see the 5-minute chart, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. This is at 1 hour, and this is at 1 day. So this, obviously it's by days here, so you can see the dates on the bottom. It goes back all the way back to December, and you can see each candle is a day. So you can basically sort it how you want to look at it. But you'd have to log in, and they have certain tools that I recommend. They're a great platform. But let's go back here. Once again, take a look at all the different platforms, find out which one works for you, which one you like best, and once you figured that out, you'd want to load that exchange and get started. So let's get into the next video. I'm going to go into KuCoin here, which I already have it open, and we're going to basically go through the steps to set up your futures trading, leverage trading.